Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discussing about introduction of inheritance and polymorphism section. These are the concepts are very important in OOPS concept. So let's begin the section. What is inheritance? Why we require to use this inheritance in object-oriented programming? In a programming, we'll use inheritance. It's a so important pillar. One of the concept we need to extending our program, which is already having, we want to extend the program with the by inheriting from parent class to child class. We'll use this concept. It is the mechanism in C# by which one class is allowed to inherit the features like fields and methods of another class. Subclass. The class that inherits the other class, it is also known as subclass. The parent class with the properties are going to be child class. So it is called like a child class would be called like subclass or a derived class or extended class or child class. So this way the parent and child means how the parents are having some properties, the child automatically inherits. So with the parent is having all the properties, child can be inherited. And child may have extending his qualities any of the way. So the same way, the same technique is going to be applying here. And why, what is polymorphism? A polymorphism is a Greek word meaning one name, many forms. In other words, one subject has many forms or has one name with multiple functionalities. Poly means many and morph means forms. So the polymorphism provides the ability to class to have multiple implementations with the same name. With this concept, in this section, along with this, we are going to be explaining like real world examples. You will be assigned a simple assessment test. Anyhow, you will be provided by the solution. And I have shared a few interview questions and answers which is explained. Let's initiate the section. Thank you.